Good morning, everyone. In the last session of Unit 3 of Particulate Technology, we have learned about the bottom driven centrifuge and the top driven centrifuge. What is a centrifugal action? How exactly the centrifugal action? By using the centrifuge, which is of top driven centrifuge and the bottom driven centrifuge. How exactly the solids can be separated from the fluid? We have learned. In this session, we will learn about the continuous centrifuge. In the continuous centrifuge, we will learn about the vertical high-speed tubular centrifuge and the disc type centrifuge, the construction and the working part of it, and some of the references which is being made, which you have to refer for the further thorough understanding of the subject. So this is how the continuous centrifuge look like. You have to observe. It is called the vertical high-speed tubular centrifuge in the ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು is a rotating bowl. This is a rotating bowl incorporated with the scraping blades. Okay, vertical scraping blades and the light liquid and the heavy liquid separation. Then you have a motor. Then the solids which has been retained and the feed. The feed which has to be the solids which has to be separated from the feed is being sent from the bottom of the vertical high-speed tubular centrifuge. So you have to observe the diagram very carefully. Here there is a motor, the heavy liquid and the light liquid, rotating bowl, and the solids. The motor helps in rotation of the. This is a tubular centrifuge. Tubular basket, rotating bowl or the basket. And the two spouts has been given to the left side and the right side. That is for the heavy liquid and the light liquid. So what coming to the construction part of it, you just observe what exactly the parts it consists of. So in going in detail of the diameter of the bowl is about 100 mm diameter and 1 meter long, and it consists of a longitudinal plates, okay, which acts as the blades, the accelerator blades to bring the liquid rapidly up to the speed. So they work up to a speed of 50,000 rpm and are used to give an acceleration of 60,000 times the gravitational acceleration, and they are available with a very wide material of construction, and also various sizes have been provided for the separation of the liquids of the various relative densities also. So this is about the construction part is concerned. The various sizes are available, and it usually runs at the speed of 50,000 rpm, and it is of 1 meter long and 100 mm diameter, and consists of an accelerator blades to bring the liquid rapidly up to the speed. So here the fluid which is being the liquid which is being fed to the machine usually consists of a denser solids. In addition to the denser solids, they are of two liquid phases. Okay, they have the liquid with a varying two densities, we can say, and after the separation process, centrifugal action on the separation process, the solids are deposited on the inner wall of the bowl, and the machine is dismantled periodically to remove them. So here we have main intention is to separate the two liquid phases and the solid phases. Okay. So after the centrifugation action by the rotation of the vertical bowl, the solids are being deposited on the inner wall of the bowl, and the machine is after deposition of the solids has to be removed, right? Solids na ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು. ಆ solids na ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಮಿಷಿನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಮ್ಯಾಂಟಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಪೀರಿಯಾಡಿಕಲಿ, ಆಫನ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲಿಡ್ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ ನಾವು ಆ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಮಿಷಿನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಮ್ಯಾಂಟಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಿಚ್ಚಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ಸಾಲಿಡ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಅದನ್ನು ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು. ಇದನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ It is usually it is used for the removal of water and the suspend solids from the lubricating oil ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ದ ಸೂಪರ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಿಫ್ಯೂಜ್ ಇಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಆಯಿಲ್ಸ್. ಆಯಿಲಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಇದನ್ನು ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅದು ಇದು ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ we use the super centrifuge, and also the clarification of the fruit juices. And also it is being used in the removal of oversized and undersized particles from the pigmented liquids. So the liquid is continuously discharged, but the solids are retained in the bowl and they must be removed periodically. According to the two phases, the liquids are being discharged periodically here. By the rotation, the solids are being deposited on the inner wall of the bowl, and it is being dismantled. It is being removed periodically by dismantling the parts. So there is a separation as the liquid, the feed liquid is of containing the two liquid phases. There will be a separation of the heavy liquid and the light liquid along with the solids removal. So especially it is used in the clarification of the oils and the fruit juices, and the removal of the solids and the water from the lubricating oil. So these are the applications of the vertical high-speed tubular centrifuge. So coming to the disc type centrifuge, this is also one type of the centrifuge where you have to separate the two liquid phases from the solids in a slurry, we can say. Observe the diagram carefully here. Diagram na observe ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನಾನು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಸೆಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ, ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ನ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಬರೆಯೋದು ಈಸಿ, ಅದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಈಸಿ. ಸೊ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ, ಅದು ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ದ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಆವಾಗ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್. So here you can see in the diagram the feed inlet. Then this is the casing, obviously. So there is the two ports, the spouts, which is for the light liquid and for the heavy liquid. And you have a rotating bowl. Okay, the rotating bowl, inner surface of the wall of the rotating bowl, you have a solids deposition. Okay, you have a solids deposition. So this is how the disc type centrifuge is being looked at, and it is entire is being rotated in a flat bottom. It is considered a flat bottom. For liquid-liquid separation, this disc centrifuge is very, along with the solids, the disc centrifuge is very highly effective, and they are available in the size of 200 to 500 mm in diameter, and it always turns on vertical axis, and the bowl is a flat bottom. You can see it is a flat bottom and a conical top. This is a conical top and the flat bottom. The feed enters from the stationary pipe into the neck of the bowl. You can see, as I explained, the feed enters into the conical neck. Two layers are formed in the as in the tubular centrifuge. They flow over adjustable diameter separate discharge spouts. Two liquid layers. One is heavy liquid layer, and another is light liquid layer. They will be, as they form, because of their different intensities, they separate and they will be taken out in a separate spouts, which has been provided. Inside the bowl, they are rotating with a closely spaced discs, okay, which are actually cones of the sheet metal set one above the other. So as the bowl rotates, the feed liquid enters the bowl and flows into the channels upward and past the disc. So heavier liquid is being thrown outward, displacing the lighter liquid towards the center of the bowl. So idu move aagta idange heavier liquid will soon strike the underside of the disc and flows beneath it to the periphery of the bowl without encountering any more light liquid. Similarly, the light liquid flows inward and upward over the upper surfaces of the disc. So idu close agirodrinda, discs are closely spaced irodrinda, distance or drop of the either liquid must travel to escape from the other phase is short or much shorter than the comparatively thick liquid layers in the tubular centrifuge. You can observe in the diagram the disc, and it is light liquid is a bit upper in a position, and the heavier liquid is a bit downer in the casing. So it is moves upward and downward. Okay, upward and downward, displacing the lighter liquid towards the center of the bowl, and as the heavy liquid soon strikes the undersides of the disc, so it flows beneath to its periphery of the ball without disturbing or encountering any more light liquid. So this centrifuges are particularly valuable. ಎಲ್ಲಿ use ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? The purpose of centrifuging is not complete separation. The concentration of the one fluid phase as in separation of the but it is important where the concentration of the one fluid phase takes place. Especially it has been used in the separation of the cream from a milk and the concentration of the rubber latex ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಿಫ್ಯೂಜ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. So the operation is compared to the top driven and the bottom driven centrifuge. Here you have to observe that here there is a separation of the two liquids with the two different densities. One is light liquid and the heavy liquid along with the solids. So that the important point to be considered here in the continuous vertical tubular centrifuge and also in the disc type centrifuge. I hope you have understood from this session. For the more information, you can use this YouTube link which has been given here, which has got the animated videos for the thorough understanding. You can visualization. It is said that visualization helps more. Visualization helps more in understanding than hearing a lecture. So please go through the YouTube link which has been given. And the commonly asked question in this type is the most important question will be on the vertical tubular type centrifuge, which is of continuous centrifuge type. So be thorough with the particular tubular centrifuge, the construction part of it. Construction in the sense you have to draw the diagram and explain what is the diameter, what is the length, and what exactly it consists of. All that you have to write. So the construction part. Will be asked for maximum for 10 marks. So if 10 marks has been asked, you have to draw the diagram and along with the explanation. So in this session, the most important question will be on the tubular vertical centrifuge. I hope you have understood from this session. Thank you all.